Good afternoon, good morning, whatever time you're watching this from. Today we're going to be converting watchers to buyers on eBay. Now we're going to be doing this using the new software called BeefDS exclusively for dropshippers. This can also be applied for any eBay seller who wants to convert watchers into buyers.
Do you wanna be free? I said, do you wanna be?
Now, how do we do this? The simple thing you do is you reprice your item who's got watchers on, and you reprice it down from 10 to 90p each day. Now every day you reprice this until there's a sale, and then you can hold at that price. What this does is it ranks your listing higher up in search, and it also notifies buyers with emails when that price is decreased. If we go in and launch, we can see we have the repricer tool, which we can go on, and we can apply a minimum threshold profit, either a percentage or an actual currency value, for example 10% or £10, and a default decrement value, which is the value that each listing is going to decrease by every single day. So if we go ahead and we set that as 10% and the decrement value is 20p, this means that for a listing such as a £10 listing, it will then load the 10% value into every single one of our listings, and you can edit the individual decrement values and minimum thresholds for each listing. So what this listing is saying, we've got a sell price for £41.69 right now. It's got a minimum threshold price of £32.50. That means that at £32.50, that is 10% profit if it was to be at that price. But it's not. It's at £41.69 right now. So every single day, that £41.69, the sell price, is going to decrease by 20p each day until it reaches the minimum threshold price of £32.50, which then it's making 10%. Anyway, ladies and gentlemen, that is how you convert watchers into buyers on eBay. For more dropshipping tutorials and tips, make sure you subscribe. And if you want to start dropshipping, head over to www.beefds.co.uk and you can get 5 listings free if you like the page on Facebook.